Industrility, helping machine manufacturers revolutionize after-sales. Are you a machine manufacturer, a distributor, or a system integrator? Then you must be focused on increasing your revenue and profitability. Do you want to sell more genuine parts, service contracts, and advanced services to your customer? Customers are demanding higher machine uptime, continuous product innovations, and want to lower total cost of ownership. Do you need help with getting your machines connected to the cloud? Or, are you finding it hard to monetize IoT or profit from Industry 4.0 or offer machine as a service? Industrility is here to help. Industrility transforms machine manufacturers' business, enabling higher aftermarket entitlement, higher profitability, customer loyalty with a superior brand reputation. Industrility helps you map your installed base. Implement an after-sales 360 for both connected and unconnected machines. Industrility helps implement a customer-facing and a dealer-facing portal, enabling self-service and driving a loyalty loop. Achieve a faster time to market with a SaaS solution using technologies like digital twin, IoT, machine learning, and ChatGPT-style large language models. Get ready to be the agent of change for your company and find out more from Industrility. Industrility is your trusted partner for your digital solutions. Contact us today at contact@industrility.com.